Snapchat ads for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can set up your Snapchat ad account. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So first things first, what you're going to do is you're going to come over here onto Snapchat ad. You can just simply search for Snapchat ads, and the first link that pops up, you can click on it, even the second link. But if you click on the first link, this is what the website will look like. And over here, you would just simply click on create an ad. When you click on create an ad, it's going to ask you to sign up right here, and you can sign up by entering in your first name, last name, your username, your password, email, and the month. And you can just simply go ahead and sign up. You can even log in by clicking on the login button right here, and you can continue. So I'm going to go ahead and sign up onto Snapchat ads, and I'll catch you guys in a second. And after that, once you've filled out all the information, this ad manager will ask you to enter in the legal name of your business. So just enter in the name of your business and then just simply click on next. You can even skip it, but I recommend adding in the name of your business. Then it will ask you to enter in the country and the phone number. And then you can just simply click on next. And then they will ask you to how would you like to create your ad. You can create an instant creation. They will ask you in 5 minutes, right? They won't give you any options, but if you go with the advanced creation, you will have full control over your ads, and you can easily create your ad within your limits. So I'm going to be using advanced create, and over here is build your campaign. So over here is basically the main part where we're going to build our campaign or our ad. And over here, we want to select our objective. It could be awareness or promoting places, app installation, drive traffic to your website or the application, engagement, video views, or we want conversions, app conversions, website conversions, and catalog. Then we have some more stuff that we can use as well. But for now, we're going to select drive traffic to our website and then scroll down. Over here, we want to have the campaign name. So for now, it's going to be drive traffic to your website. Let's just keep it at that. And we want the status. It is active, or we want to create a split test. For now, we're going to disable split test and we're going to keep the active. Next, what we can do is we can add a start and end date as well. It is going to be in Pacific. We can set an end date as well. It is optional if you want to. Then this will allow you to run your ad from a specific date to a specific date, or you could just not set it and it will run when you've added in the start date. Then you have your daily cap. This is going to be your daily budget, right? I recommend keeping your daily budget as low as possible in the beginning so that when you drive traffic, right, you can see your ad performing, and if it performs well, you can increase the budget and see if it works or not, or if you have an improvement over your traffic. But if it doesn't, you can lower it again, find the perfect balance, and continue. So for now, we'll just say around $25, and the lifetime cap, this is going to set a limit on how much your campaign can spend during its lifetime. So you can increase it, remove it later on, and you can reduce the lifetime spend cap at any time you want, as long as it's 10% higher than the amount you've already spent. So let's just say the lifetime spend cap should be around $250. There you go. Pretty simple. Once everything is done, you just simply click on next and it will take you to the next part where we now have to set the ad details. Over here, you set the ad detail name. You can add in the location, the genders, the age group of your audience you want to target. And I do have to say, the more specific you add your demographic or location, the higher the cost of the ad will be. The more broader search, the more less you're likely to spend. So for this one, I recommend at first going as narrow as possible and then expanding into different countries, different age groups, different demographics to see if it works. So let's set the ad name. So for now, let's just again say it. And you can even select pixels. What this will do is it will retarget the people or audience that have already visited your website. But if you want new audience, you can leave it off. You can even add Snap App ID card. This will target, as I said before, all those people that have visited your ad or website. Again, we'll just leave it disabled for now. So budget is set to $50, right? We set our campaign budget to be 25, so we'll lower it to 20 for now. This is going to be our daily budget, and start to time, of course, you already know that. Now the placement of the ad, this is important. So it could be automatic, right? You can run your ad across all of Snapchat. This will give you more flexibility, and the results of your campaign and maximize your reach, right? Or you can edit the placement and you can go ahead and edit it and place it to your choices. You can place it between content. So after a couple of stories, your ad might pop up, before and after user stories or publishers and content creator stories. So you can add it over there, and within content as well, ads watched within professional and curated content will also be sure. And over here in categories, you can include these categories over here. As you can see, you can add different categories as well. So depending upon, the type of ad you're trying to promote. So let's say your ad is more focused on entertainment, or your businesses and towards your food, your gaming, general lifestyle, then your ads will be published or viewed within those categories of content. So for now, let's go ahead and select science and technology, right? We can even add entertainment, and we can also add men's lifestyle as well. Now we have done that. We can even select the camera option as well. This will let your ads play whenever someone opens up the camera, but I feel like content is much more appreciated. Next, you can add in the location. So add in the location where your audience is located. For now, it's set to United States. You can add different countries as well. It depends on you, but as I said before, more specific you are, the higher the cost of the ad will be. So for now, we'll just select New York. There you go. We'll just get rid of United States. There you go. So as you can see, our reach is now much more narrower. This is the weekly budget. So right now our reach is between 5.4K to 16K, and our impressions are also similar to that. And our swipes are 42 to 130. So this is likely people that would actually swipe on our ads. So this is the weekly. And if we switch over to daily results, we can see that it's a little bit lower, but it's still pretty good. Now we can also add a age restriction on our ads if you want to. So we can show our ads to specific groups of age within the demographic. So we can, let's say, from 18 to, let's say, 40. So the age groups between 18 and 40, those are the people that are going to, see our ads. And we can even specify either male or female or both or all genders. It depends on you. For now, we're going to select male. We can even select our language. So we'll just choose English for now, since it's the most common language. And then we have advanced demographics. So over here, we can select household incomes as well. So we can target people that have, a household income between 100,000 to 200,000. 500,000 to 99,000. It depends on you, or 2,000 or more. But yeah, for now, we'll just leave it at that. And then you have your audience. So you can add your preferred audience. So lifestyle, shoppers, or visitor. It depends on you. So over here, we can see within shoppers, and we have Snapchat, we have amusement park buyers, apparel store shoppers, auto product shoppers. So we can add that. So let's go ahead and add apparel store shoppers. So we have our audience, we have our demographic, we have our age group, and now we can select devices as well. So you can choose Android, iOS, or you can choose the connections type, cell or Wi-Fi, or all. It depends on you. You can even select the carriers and the makers of your device. And then you have your delivery. So you have your delivery right here. Swipe up is the goal. You have your auto bid, targeted cost, or max bid. I'd recommend leaving it auto so that it's hassle free, less things to worry about, right? And then you just simply click on next if you have everything settled. After that, you're going to create your ad. You're going to add your name over here. This is going to be public name. You can add in the brand name, the headline. You can upload or create or browse, the media that you want to attach to your ad. And you can even add a call to action button: apply now, book now, buy now, get now, listen. We'll just get now. We'll get now. Then you add in the URL of your website, and you can even disable autofill if you want, or leave it on. It depends on you. And then you have your status, impression tags and swipe up tags, but don't need to worry about that. You can add tags related to your business and impressions as well. And then you just simply review and publish right here. And you just simply add in your credit card details right here, pay for the ad, and let the ad rolling. And after that, you are good to go. So this is basically how you create ads on your Snapchat. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful and useful. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.